Amazon Wholesale FBA product hunting refers to the process of finding profitable products to sell through Amazon's wholesale program. This involves researching product categories, analyzing sales data, and comparing prices with competitors to identify products that have a high demand and low competition. To start product hunting, you can use Amazon's best sellers and new releases lists to identify popular products. You can also use tools such as Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or AMZ Scout to research product categories and analyze sales data. When searching for products, it's important to consider factors such as profit margins, competition, and market trends. You should also focus on products that have a high demand and low competition to increase your chances of success. Once you have identified potential products, you can source them through wholesale suppliers and list them on Amazon using the FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, program. With FBA, Amazon handles the storage, shipping, and customer service for your products, making it a convenient option for sellers.